In this video, I'm going to do some examples of actually using the trapezoidal rule. So the first question, we actually have to find the area of this lake. We know that the lake is 48 meters across. The height at this point here is just 0, 10, 12, 11, 11, 10, and 6. We notice here that our b minus a is the 48. So here's our trapezoidal rule formula. Now you'll notice here I've just done x0, x6. These are my x values. So in a function they would be f of x, but in this case it's just x's. So our b minus a is 48. We're doing it into 6 sub-intervals. So 2 times 6 is 12 on the bottom. Our x0, that was just 0. Our x6 is the 6 meters there, plus 2 lots of 10 plus 12 plus 11 plus 11 plus 10, 10 plus 12 plus 11 plus 11 plus 10. And then all of that you can put in your calculator. I'll do that before I take the still photo. Here's another example. Find the area under the curve x plus 6 over 3x minus 1 from x equals 1 to x equals 13 with 6 subintervals. Now, so in this case, 6 subintervals gives us n equals 6. Our b minus a is 13 minus 1, which equals 12. If we divide that up, each subinterval will be 2 wide. So I started from 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. And I created this table of values. So I've substituted 1 into the original function here. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2. I've put each of these x values into the function to create a table of values. I can now quite literally just substitute these numbers into my formula. So my b minus a was 12. My 2 times n is 6, remember, so that's also 12. My f of a is my 7 on 2. My f of b is my half. And then 2 times each of the ones in between. So 9 on 8 plus 11 on 14 plus 13 on 20 plus 15 on 26 plus 17 on 32. And again, I will put that all into my calculator before I take the still shot.